Let's make a quick and easy eggplant parmesan. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So my local grocery store had some eggplant on sale, and I thought, why not make eggplant parmesan? I started by making up using tomato paste and a tomato sauce. I made with peppers and onions a beautiful tomato sauce for our base. We have this creamy Italian blend for our cheese that I'm going to shred, and I've cut lengthwise our eggplant for our coating. We're going to coat it with garlic, pepper, and cornstarch instead of eggs. Okay, I have a pan with olive oil. I'm going to fry up our eggplant really quickly. We're going to watch our tomato sauce is still simmering, or peppers, or onions, everything blending together. And as you can see, this is how your eggplant should fry up really quickly. We're going to drain that on a paper towel. And now, once our tomato sauce is done, which I think it's pretty much done, you could add a little sugar to this. I didn't, but some people do that with their tomato sauce when they make it. This had basil, oregano, and as well as peppers and onions. This is our cheese shredded up. And this is a pan that I got at my local, I think, Dollar Tree. And now it's time to coat the bottom of our pan with our tomato sauce to start our Parmesan. All right, so you can see my tomato sauce is done, and I have coated the bottom of an aluminum foil pan here. And I am going to now have my eggplant and then some of our cheese that we have. And yeah, so we have our first layer. All right, so I have another coating of tomato sauce, and I'm going to add our cheese, and I'm going to layer one more time and add our cheese on the top. I've added another layer of our eggplant, and I've shredded a little bit more of our cheese for the topping, and I'm going to get some tomato sauce. Okay, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and added another layer of our tomato sauce, and now it's time for me to top with our cheese, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. You could put it on 400, but I am going to be making. All right, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's already cooked through, but it's already cooked, but we just wanted to cook through, and I'm going to make up some pasta, some spaghetti to go along with this, and I'll be back. All right, so I have some water for our spaghetti, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and we'll have it with our eggplant. Okay, Adorners, I just wanted to show you what's going on in our oven here. Our eggplant looks so beautiful. Can't wait to have it. Our pineapple dump cake, also looking beautiful. Can't wait to have it. All right, Adorners, it's time to take out our eggplant Parmesan. Pasta's almost done. Let's take it out. You see our... Okay, Adorners, so our eggplant, I guess underway Parmesan is done. And I'm gonna let this cool for a bit, and then I'm gonna feed old Coco here, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so we've taken out our eggplant Parmigiana, and we are letting it rest for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to get some of our spaghetti ready, and I'm going to make a batter of our spaghetti. I'm going to actually cut this and add it to our pasta. Looking so forward to it. Our pasta is pretty much al dente. Okay, Adorners, so I have a bed of pasta ready for our eggplant, and I'm going to add some with a little sauce, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so our eggplant Parmesan is done with a bed of pasta, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Look forward to it, as well as our pineapple dump cake. Okay, Adorners, so it's time to try it. Let's see. Oh, just can't, so excited. A little bit here. So very, very delicious. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.